the world. But without hard work and dedication, you will never reach your full potential. By Cristiano Ronaldo. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed teachers, and dear fellow dipsites.
A very warm welcome to each one of you. Today's assembly is centered around a theme that resonates determination, perseverance, and the triumph of effort. Hard work beats talent.
I'm Sanvi.
And I am Soham.
And it's our honor to be your host for today's assembly. The theme, Hard Work Beats Talent, reminds us that while talent may give someone a head start, it is a consistent effort and unwavering dedication that ultimately leads to true success. Great achievements aren't born overnight. They are earned step by step with discipline, hard work, and grit.
So, let us come together today to celebrate the spirit of perseverance. May this assembly ignite in us the belief that with enough effort, we can overcome limitations and turn our dreams into reality. Let's begin this journey of inspiration and learning.
A school prayer is not just a daily custom. It's a moment of reflection, unity, and hope. It grounds us, preparing us to take on each day with positivity and purpose. May I invite Sudhansh to lead us in the prayer.
Morning everyone. I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of that habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-voiding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Thank you, Sudhansh. Our school song is a melodious tribute to the spirit of learning and growth. It unites us in harmony and pride as members of this beautiful institution. May I invite the choir group to present the school song.
Let us celebrate the joy and praises of the school we hold so dear, of the school that claims our respect, DWPS, fully reacher. Stand, revel in joy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. Stand, revel in joy and pride, ever ready to proclaim. DWPS we glory, proud we are to carry the name. DWPS we glory, proud we are to carry that name.
pledge is a powerful reminder of our responsibilities to ourselves, school, and our nation. It reinforces our commitment to uphold values like honesty, respect, and hard work. Now I would like to call upon Supratik to guide us through the pledge.
I request everyone to stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Thank you, Supratik.
You all may be seated now.
Quotes are tiny sparks of wisdom, simple words that ignite big inspiration and bring us back to the truths we sometimes overlook. Now I would like to call upon Pratham, Joysh, and Shaurya to render quotes.
Hey guys, today I was truly inspired by the quote which I have seen in our school spinboard.
Wow, what is it, Pratham?
The quote is, I am not lucky, I just work harder than you. Meaning, achievements are earned through hard work and dedication and not from mere chance.
Wow, that's wonderful, Pratham. Yesterday, even my mother shared a quote with me that stayed in my heart ever since.
What is it, Josh?
The quote is, believe that you are born to achieve great things. It means it reminds you to trust that you have the ability and purpose to achieve great things in life. Listening to you both, it just reminded me something once my grandfather told. Do you know what the quote is? What is it, Shaurya? The quote is, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. Meaning, it means that when you feel like giving up, reconnect with the reason that inspired you to begin. Thank you.
Each day holds the power to rewrite your story. What you choose today shapes your tomorrow. May I invite Dhruv to deliver the significance of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dhruv from grade 6. Significance of the day. July 30th is significant as it is the International Day of Friendship. In US 1956, they adopted the motto "In God We Trust" and started printing them in paper currency. July 30, 1930, they held the first FIFA World Cup final in Uruguay. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Dhruv.
We would like to wish Divyesh Shetty of Grade 10 Tulip and from staff Madhuvani ma'am a very happy birthday from DWPS family. Now I would like to request our honored principal ma'am to come forward and wish them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless.
Thank you ma'am.
Dear friends, the skit you are about to witness is a powerful reminder that success is not reserved for the naturally gifted. It belongs for those who work for it relentlessly and without excuses. While talent may open doors, it's the hard work that keeps them open. This performance highlights how the determination, consistent effort, and the unshakable belief in oneself can overcome even the greatest odds. The message is simple yet profound. Talent may give you a head start, but it's the hard work that wins the race. Let this skit inspire each of us to never underestimate the power of dedication. May I invite Harshini, Adya, Aradhya and Tanvi to take over and present the skit. Enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Sanvi and Soham, for the wonderful introduction and setting the tone for today's assembly. We now take you through a journey of life where hard work overcome every obstacle, proving that determination can outshine natural ability when fueled by passion and purpose. Scene 1. The living room. Arjun, where are you coming from?
I had gone to watch a movie, Papa. It was amazing.
Again, you're wasting your time watching movies. You should be focusing on your studies. Maybe taking up a course to help with your next grade.
Papa, I'm just not interested in that. I truly enjoy acting. I want to become an actor.
Acting? Are you out of your mind? That's the worst profession ever. No stability, no job security, and no clear future.
Ramesh, why are you speaking so harshly about his interest? It's not a worthless profession.
But Baba, acting is so uncertain.
Every career comes with challenges, but acting is also given us legends. People worked hard, stayed grounded, and left behind the legacy.
Really, Dalji? Can you tell me about someone like that?
Of course, beta, there was one man, simple, talented, and truly dedicated. He once returned his payment to the producer when the film failed. He respected his art and people behind it.
Wow, that's incredible. Who was he?
Let me take you back in time, Arjun. The story of a true legend is about to begin. Sit back and listen.
Story of a lower middle class family who is residing in the outskirts of Bangalore. The father, Ramoji Rao Gikwad, serves as a police constable, and the mother, Jijabai, manages the home with a quiet strength. And their two elder sons contribute through small jobs. Among them is a young boy named Shivaji, gentle in manner, rich in dreams, and mature beyond his years.
Children, dinner is ready. Eat quickly. You all have to leave early for work tomorrow.
Okay, Amma.
Beta, listen. Tomorrow is the final day to pay the school fees.
Don't worry, Amma. I'll manage it. But please don't mention it to Appa. He's already under a lot of stress.
Amma, why don't you have dinner with us? I just now had dinner.
Young Shivaji, seated nearby, listens intently. He lowers his plate down, thinks thoughtful. After a moment, he walks up over to his mother.
Amma, I want to help too. I'm ready to work. I understand how hard things are for all of us. That's very kind of you, my child. That means a lot that you're aware of our situation. But for now, your only duty is to study and study well. If you do that someday, we will rise above all this.
I promise, Amma, one day I'll work hard and take care of this whole family.
In that moment, something ignited in the heart of a young boy, not just a dream to escape poverty, but a fierce determination to uplift his entire family.
Scene 3. The classroom spark. A classroom during break time. Students are relaxed and chatting freely. Friends are sitting around Shivaji laughing. One friend mixes and acts as a famous actor. Shivaji joins in, copying him with exaggerated flair.
ಹಾವಿನ ದ್ವೇಷ 12 ವರುಷ ಹಾವಿನ ದ್ವೇಷ 12 ವರುಷ ನನ್ನ ರೋಷ 100 ವರುಷ ನನ್ನ ರೋಷ 100 ವರುಷ ಹಾವಿನ ದ್ವೇಷ 12 ವರುಷ.
Once more, Shivaji.
நெஞ்சம் உண்டு நேர்மை உண்டு ஓடு ராஜா நேரம் வரும் காத்திருந்து பாரு ராஜா நெஞ்சம் உண்டு நேர்மை உண்டு ஓடு ராஜா நேரம் வரும் காத்திருந்து பாரு ராஜா அஞ்சி அஞ்சி வாழ்ந்தது போதும் ராஜா அஞ்சி அஞ்சி வாழ்ந்தது போதும் ராஜா நீ ஆற்று வெள்ளம் போல் எழுந்து ஓடு ராஜா நெஞ்சம் உண்டு நேர்மை உண்டு ஓடு ராஜா நேரம் வரும் காத்திருந்து பாரு ராஜா.
That was brilliant, Shivaji. You nailed that actor's voice and acting.
You are amazing, man. Why don't you seriously think about acting? I just do it for fun. I'm more interested in football.
You could become a footballer and a superstar.
They all laugh again. Shivaji casually flips a chalk piece like a mic and does another quick imitation. Suddenly, the teacher enters.
What's going on here?
Nothing, ma'am. Just enjoying the break.
Ma'am, Shivaji was just mimicking famous actors. He is really good at acting.
Is that so, Shivaji? Well, since you're such a performer, I'm adding your name to the annual day skit.
That's amazing, ma'am. Yes.
That simple classroom moment lit a new spark. And an annual day in front of the entire school, Shivaji would leave a mark that no one would forget. After the annual day performance, the entire hall echoed with applause. For the first time, Shivaji felt something still deep within, a joy unlike any other, not just for praise, but for the feeling of becoming someone else on stage.
Scene 4. The rise begins.
After losing his father at the tender age of 14, young Shivaji had no choice but to shoulder the weight of responsibility. He worked as an office boy, carpenter, and a coolie by day and studied by night. Determination, he cleared the KSRTC exams and became a bus conductor in Bangalore. Right.
Wow, the way you handle tickets, so stylish. Are you sure you're just a conductor? He's got something special in him. Just look at the way he walks, like a hero.
Passengers love. Shivaji smiled humbly. Raj Bahadur watches closely, and after the passengers exit,
Shivaji, you are not made for this. You have got swag style. You belong in the movies.
movies. Me? Ha 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 ha.
Shivaji, I'm serious. You should try your luck in Madras. Let's go. What's the worst that could happen?
Okay, let's try our luck. With hope in their hearts, Shivaji and Raj Bahadur traveled to Madras, the city of dreams. Wow, what a big city it is!
That's why it's called City of Dreams. Shivaji, tomorrow we'll go and meet the director. Let's see what's going to happen.
Okay, sure. Shivaji reaches the film studio office. Namaste, sir. I've come for an audition.
You want to be an actor? Look at your face. You're so dark. No charm. Get lost.
What? Namaste, sir. For an audition.
Okay, tell me Tamil dialogue. You can't even speak proper Tamil, and with this skin tone, you will never get a role in Tamil cinema. Get lost.
Shivaji, what happened?
They said I don't have a face to be an actor.
Shivaji, the world will always judge, but you must do them wrong.
One day I'll work hard and become a hero in this very industry. Learning Tamil, watching movies, and studying actors on set, he poured his soul into becoming what others said he could never be. And then fate opened the door. Shivaji met director K. Balachandar, a visionary known for spotting talent.
Day 2, take number 8, song shooting.
Action!
ఓడిపోవడం అంటే ఆగిపోవడం కాదే, మరింత గొప్పగా పోరాడే అవకాశం పొందడమే.
అడుగు అడుగు వేయనిదే అంతరిక్షమే అందేనా, పడుతూ పడుతూ లేవనిదే పసిపాదం పరుగులు తీసేనా, మునిగి మునిగి తేలనిదే మహాసంద్రమే లొంగేనా, కరిగి కరిగి వెలగనిదే కొవ్వొత్తు చీకటిని తరిమేనా, ఊగిందే
అయినా మధ్యలో వదలొద్దురా ఈ సాధన,
ప్రయత్నమే మొదటి విజయం, ప్రయత్నమే మన ఆయుధం, ప్రయత్నమే మొదటి విజయం, ప్రయత్నమే మన ఆయుధం.
పొందడమే.
అడ్డును కాస్త మెట్టుగా మలచి ఎత్తుకు ఎదగాలి. చేసే పోరాటంలో రక్తం చిందిస్తున్న అది ఎర్రసిరాగా నీ చరితని రాస్తుందనుకోవాలి. అడుగంటూ వేసాక ఆగకుండా సాగాలి అని సాధన. ప్రయత్నమే మొదటి విజయం. ప్రయత్నమే మన ఆయుధం. ప్రయత్నమే మొదటి విజయం. ప్రయత్నమే మన ఆయుధం. ఓడిపోవడం అంటే ఆగిపోవడం కాదే, మరింత గొప్పగా పోరాడే అవకాశం పొందడమే.
Namaste, sir. I've come for an audition. All right, show me something. Let's see if you've got some talent.
ನಾ ಅವರು ದಡ ಸಣ್ಣ 100 ದಡ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Interesting. You've got something. I'll cast you not as a hero yet, but as a villain in Apurva Rahangal.
Thank you, sir. I'll prove myself in this movie.
That film became a blockbuster. This villainous charm stole the show even more than the hero. From there, offers flooded in, and Shivaji Gaikwad became a superstar. The industry already had a legendary Shivaji Ganesan, so director K. Balachandar gave him a new identity. The world now embraces him as superstar Rajnikant.
Scene 5. The Rise of a Legend.
And then he became a phenomenon, a name whispered with reverence, a style imitated by millions, and a symbol of humility in stardom. Rajnikant was no longer just an actor, he was a superstar. But this stardom didn't come overnight. It was carved through years of sacrifice, from working as a bus conductor to lifting loads as a coolie, from studying under street lamps to learning Tamil by heart, from being rejected for his looks to rising as an icon of mass appeal. Every step was a test, and he passed it all with one weapon: hard work. His journey from Shivaji Rao Gaikwad to Rajnikant was not just the story of fame, but the story of faith, fire, and fierce determination, and the world recognized it too.
Here are some of his awards. In the year 2000, he received the Padma Bhushan from the Government of India. In the year 2016, he received Padma Vibhushan, one of the nation's highest civilian honors. In the year 2021, he was presented with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, India's highest honor in cinema. Like this, he received countless.
But above all, his greatest award was the unshaken love of his fans, earned not just by talent, but by relentless dedication.
When I look back, I see a boy from Bangalore who had nothing but dreams. I'd never imagined I'd come this far, and I promise to stay because roots matter more than the sky. And this stardom, it belongs to all of you. And I thank you for your support.
Scene 6, The Life Circle.
What a story, Dadaji! From Shivaji Rao to Rajnikant, what a journey! So much to learn from him. Hard work, talent, determination, perseverance, and never giving up.
Yes, beta, he is more than a superstar. He is a living example that nothing is impossible if you have faith and discipline. Now tell me, after hearing all this, are you still interested in acting?
Not just interested, Dadaji. I have decided I'll become an actor. Not for fame, not for money, but to tell stories, to inspire, and to leave a mark, just like this legend.
That's the spirit. Come, let me show you the shoot of his latest medley.
Lights, camera, action.
கண்ணா பண்ணிங்க தான் கூட்டமா வரும். சிங்கம் சிங்கலா தான் வரும்.
ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, ఈ పాంపుట్ల చేయటారు కరవలేదండి.
తెలుగు చిత్రాల్లో ఇక్కడ ఘాటు పెట్టుకుని మీసాలు మీద తిప్పుకొని లొంగి కట్టుకుని పాత విలను ఏ కబాలి అని పిలవగానే ఒంగుని వినయంగా ఎస్ బాస్ అని నిలబడతాడే ఆ కబాలి అనుకున్నారా? కబాలిరా.
हुकुम टाइगर का हुकुम। टाइगर का हुकुम।
బాబాయ్ జీవితంలో ఒకటి మాత్రం గుర్తుంచుకోండి, కష్టపడందే ఏది రాదు, కష్టపడకుండా వచ్చింది ఎన్నటికీ నిలవదు.
అర్థమైందా రాజా?
This is magical. In the age of 70s, still he has got swag and style, Dadaji. The energy, the moves, the aura. I can feel the power of cinema. Dadaji, one question. How do you know so much about him? You told a story like you lived it.
Because I did, beta.
What? You're his school friend?
No.
His director?
No.
His housemate?
No, think harder.
Wait, what's my full name again? Arjun Rajnath. You're his bus driver. His friend from the old days. You're Raj Bahadur, the one who believed in him first.
Yes, beta. I saw the spark in him before the world did. And now I can see the same spark in you.
Dadaji, I promise you, I'll work harder than ever. I'll train, I'll struggle, I'll grow. I won't chase shortcuts. Like him, I learn respect before fame. One day, you will say proudly, he is my grandson.
Beta, talent may open the door, but it's the hard work that keeps you inside. Legends aren't born, beta. They are made through grit, sweat, and soul.
And now, it's my turn to rise.
In the story of Rajnikant, we see a shining truth. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. He didn't have the perfect looks, a film background, or even fluency in Tamil at first. But what he had was stronger, a fire to learn, the humility to grow, and the courage to never give up. It wasn't just his talent that made him a superstar. It was his sleepless nights, silent struggles, and unstoppable perseverance. That's how legends are made. Over to you, Tanvi and Srihan.
Performance and a deeply motivating message. It truly reminded us that success isn't about being the most talented, it's about being the most determined.
Absolutely. The skip beautifully showed us that when talent pauses, hard work perseveres. And that perseverance is what eventually leads to real success.
Teachers are not just educators, they are the architects of potential. They guide us, support us, and most importantly, teach us the value of effort and consistency. We now invite the class teachers of grade 6 Lilac, Tulip, and Aster to share their insight and words of encouragement with us.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear lovely students. What is today's theme, beta? Hard work beats talent. Children, we all have talent. Maybe some are good at dance, good at art, good at problem solving, right? So everyone has the talent. The thing is that we need to shine this talent with what? Hard work, exactly. If you have so much talent and if you don't work hard, is that useful for you? No, right? So you need to shine your talent with the hard work. Unless you work hard, whatever the talent you have, it is waste. If you work hard, then only you can achieve success in your life, right? Thank you. God bless you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, dear teachers, and my dear students. As per today's assembly, we come to know a person who really works hard can achieve more than a person who is still having a talent but hesitates to work hard. So please don't only depend on hard work. Okay? Please work hard and for sure you're going to shine. Thank you.
A very good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear students. Today's quote is, talent may shine, but hard work shines more brighter. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
The principal of a school is like a compass that keeps the ship of education on course. With clarity, wisdom, and leadership, they shows the value of discipline, dedication, and hard work. We are honored to invite our respected principal ma'am to address the gathering.
Thank you, beta. Beloved students and my dear team, good morning. Children, today's our theme is hard work beats talent. Today I want to use this platform to enlighten you with few facts. Along with talent, few more qualities which cannot beat hard work. My dear children, in our society, few students are discouraged because of certain qualities. I can tell that as misconceptions or false beliefs which hold for themselves and feel discouraged. They don't share their feelings. You have to remember this is very, very important for students, especially if you are in school, you know how we take care. If you are going to step out of the school, these points are very important for you children. You have to know in this world or in society, you will not be recognized. Listen carefully what I am telling. I am repeating once again. You will not be recognized solely by your skin tone or by your height, by your weight, by your voice, or by your social status. You will not be recognized by these superficial qualities. You should know what are the true qualities which will make a person truly admirable. As facilitators, as a principal, as a school, we look up to the students who are humble, who are ready to help to their friends, who are very supportive, who are caring, who can prove themselves by working hard. Yes, we can do anything. So these are the qualities which are very important and which defines you, who are you. Not those superficial qualities. Children, it is very important to understand God has created each and every individual in an unique way. There is no need for you to compare with your friends. You are unique. You have your own talent. If somebody comes and bullies you or make fun of you that your skin tone is not good, there is no need for you to get discouraged. You have to prove themselves by working hard more than them, and you have to show skin tone doesn't matter for a teacher. What matters? Hard work matters. Your result matters. Hope you are understanding what I am telling. Any one student from here? Nishika, come here, beta. Good morning, Nishika. So, when you see class 6 teachers, grade 6 teachers, Nishika is looking very smart, right? In this attire, she's having good hairstyle, fair complexion. Based on this, teachers are not going to award marks, beta. She has to prove herself by studying very hard. She has to compete with other students to prove herself, not by seeing the external appearance or the superficial qualities. Teachers are going to award marks. Thank you, beta. If you are having such misconceptions, I am not good. I am not having 6 feet height. That doesn't matter for us. Not only for us. In society also it doesn't matter. Only matters is your personality and your character is very important. Finally, to conclude, it is the courage, resilience in facing challenges that defines you. What personality you are going to have. So, based on these children, reflect on this topic, and if you are having such misconceptions, please remove from today onwards. It is the only hard work that we are looking for that gets you the recognition. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Your message reinforces that every small effort counts and that greatness is built one step at a time. Over to you, Madhuri, ma'am.
Thank you, Srihan. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. So here we have the results of the Science Olympiad, which has been conducted in the year 2024 and 25. So we have, first we'll go with the math. Before that, I would like to request principal ma'am to come on to the rostrum and please give away the prizes to the children. We are happy to announce the Math Olympiad Level 2 from Grade 1, Sai Nihal, who has bagged the gold medal. Grade 1, Sai Nihal, who has bagged the gold medal. And the Medal of Excellence and 350 rupees of the voucher. And Grade 2, Nitya Sharma, who has bagged the bronze medal, the Medal of Excellence with 250 rupees of the cash voucher. Here we have the Science Olympiad of the Level 2 from the Class 1, G. Aditri, who has bagged the gold medal of excellence along with the 350 of the cash voucher. G. Aditri of Grade 1. Sakina Zohar of Grade 1, who has bagged the gold medal of excellence with 500 rupees of the cash voucher. Sakina Zohar. Yes Maharaj of Class 1, who has bagged the gold medal of excellence with 500 rupees cash voucher. B. Adyashri of Class 1, who has bagged the gold medal of excellence along with 500 rupees of the cash voucher. Children, give the big round of applause to them. Adyashri of Class 2, who has bagged gold medal of excellence along with that 500 rupees cash voucher. Ananya Prashant of Class 2, who has bagged silver medal of excellence. And next we have the Science Olympiad zonal medals. P. Manvi of Grade Class 3. She has bagged the zonal topper gold. P. Manvi. Ananya Prashant of Grade 3, who has bagged the zonal topper gold. Sakina Zohar of Grade 3, zonal topper silver. Science Olympiad medals for the year 24 and 25. These are the class toppers. Nitya Sharma of Grade 2, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Sheikh Waris of Grade 2, class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Sachi Rao of class Grade 2, class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Ayansh Varudkar, Grade 4, class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Suhani Reddy, class 5, class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Y. Loksha Reddy from Grade 6, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Loksha Reddy. K. Dhruvan Gaud, class 7, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Dhruvan Gaud. Yes, Aradhya Reddy from Grade 8, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Aradhya Reddy. B. Abhijit from grade 9, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. B. Abhijit. Arpita Subhashini from grade 10, the class topper who has bagged the gold medal. Have the Science Olympiad who are the class toppers for the silver medal. Grade 2 Aditri, the class topper who has bagged the silver medal. G. Aditri of grade 2. Ananya Reddy of grade 2, class topper who has bagged the silver medal. R. Ayansh Gaud of grade 2, class topper who has bagged the silver medal. Advait Ashish of grade 4, the class topper who has bagged the silver medal. T. Rayansh from grade 5. T. Rayansh from grade 5. Aradhya Sachin from grade 6. Yes, Shreyas Reddy from grade 7. B. Vedant from grade 8. C.H. Roshni from grade 9. And E. Ritika Reddy from grade 10 are the class toppers for the Science Olympiad silver medal. Next we have the class toppers for the bronze medals. From grade 2, V. Sri Sriyan, grade 2, Sri Sriyan, the class topper for the bronze medal. M. Sudiksha, grade 2, class topper for the bronze medal. Naisha Tiwari from grade 3. Naisha Tiwari. Tarun Sonat from grade 4. Sanvika from grade 6. Dhruv Sri from grade 7. Varshit Reddy from grade 7. G. Sai Suhas from grade 8. B. Nischala from grade 9. B. Hansika from grade 10, who are the class toppers who has secured the bronze medal for the Science Olympiad. Next we have a Hindi Olympiad medals for the year 24 and 25. The state topper for the Hindi Olympiad, V. Sri Sriyan from grade 2, who has bagged the silver medal as a state topper. Sri Sriyan, the silver medal as a state topper. Children, give a big round of applause. Next we have the class toppers who has bagged the gold medal. Mudit Agarwal from grade 3. Mudit Agarwal from grade 3. The class topper who has secured the gold medal. Advait Ashish grade 4. Laina Begwani grade 5. P. Vedanshika from grade 6. Samaira Sharma from grade 7. Sri Virajita from grade 8. Om Singhal from grade 9 are the class toppers who has bagged the gold medal for Hindi Olympiad. Samaira Sharma of grade 7. Om Singhal of grade 9. Next we have the class toppers for the silver medal. Grade 2 Pranjal. Grade 2 Pranjal. Ayansh Varutkar from grade 4. The class toppers for the silver medal. M. Harshan Sai from grade 7. Class toppers for the bronze medal. Grade 2 Gitansh Jain. The class topper who has secured the bronze medal. Gitansh Jain. From grade 3 Naisha Tiwari. The class topper for the bronze medal. Gitanshi from grade 4. secured the class topper for the bronze medal.
Thank you, ma'am. As we wrap up today's assembly, let's not forget the most important takeaway. Talent may help you start, but it's the hard work that helps you finish strong. Keep working hard and success will surely follow you.
Carry this lesson with you as you go about your day. Don't wait for the perfect moment or extraordinary ability. Start now, give your best, and watch your hard work open doors you never imagined. The national anthem is not just a song, it's a celebration of our strength as a shared nation. Now I request everyone to stand in attention for the national anthem.
Such a wonderful audience. Keep striving, keep learning, and remember, it's not who's the most talented, but who's the most committed that truly shines. Have a focused, productive, and inspiring day ahead. Thank you.